Before starting any haircut, please comb your client's hair as much as possible. Before moving on to the next section, guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome to this skin fade tutorial. As you can see, I'm starting off with the MG307 hair trimmer. Now I'm punching the exact spot for the baseline. Notice how I'm taking my time to ensure the guideline is set properly. Next, I'm removing all the excess hair underneath the guideline I just created, ensuring not to push all the way up to the top line. Here, basically, I flick the trimmer the other way around to get the skin closer to the scalp. Now with the lever all the way open, I'm going up about a centimeter. Here, I'm making sure the blade stretches all the way down. Here, the lever is halfway closed. I'm starting below the line and flick up into the line. That way, you'll be assured you are not creating another line. Now, the lever is fully closed. Basically, I'm softening the line that I said earlier, though I will come back in with the shaver later in the process. Here, snapping on a 1 guard, the lever is fully open. I'm going in about a half-inch guideline. Guys, always brush to check the progress on the fade. Here, with a half guard halfway closed, I'm cleaning up the fade. I'm starting below the line and I flick to the line. Very important. The lever is fully closed. Guys, always start below the line. Since this is a closed lever, you can add a little pressure when flicking to the line to soften it while maintaining consistent motion throughout. With the 1.5 guard, the lever is fully open. This is how far I'm going to take out on this side. I'm going straight up and not digging in. Here with a 2 guard, I'm focusing on the bulb at the top. Watch how I'm using the parental bone as a lift pad, going straight up. Guys, here I'm continuing to brush to see the process on the fade. Now with a 1 guard, the lever is fully open. Basically, I'm cleaning up the middle line. You will see me going back and forth with the lever to ensure the blend is nice and even. Now you can see the fade is finally coming together. Using the 1 guard alone is really making a big difference. Here I'm going in with no guard, stitching everything together. Now you can see how detailed the fade is looking. Now with the electric shaver, I'm adding some texture to the scalp to make it pop. Guys, more importantly, I thank you all for watching my videos. It means a lot to me and I highly appreciate it. Keep on watching, keep on growing. That's everything you need right now. Guys, thank you for checking this out. I will see you in the next video.